Think about why you believe a heavy steel truck is the safest place during a crash. That belief is actually a dangerous illusion built on decades of very clever automotive marketing tactics. We assume that heavy mass protects us, but the laws of physics tell a different story. When a heavy vehicle hits a wall, it carries massive energy that must go somewhere fast. All that momentum turns into a violent force that eventually hits the people sitting inside. But what if a vehicle was designed to deflect energy instead of just absorbing the impact? The strange shape of the Aptera is not just for looks or for better wind efficiency. It is a radical rethink of how we survive a collision using pure logic and physics. Every curve on this vehicle serves a specific purpose for keeping the occupants alive and well. Most people look at this three-wheeled shape and assume it is a dangerous little toy. They see something light and think it must be fragile compared to a standard family sedan. But the engineering team chose to break every traditional rule to reach a higher safety level. They moved away from heavy steel and looked at the world of high-performance racing instead. Formula One drivers survive crashes at speeds that would flatten a normal modern luxury car. They survive because their vehicles are built from a rigid and incredibly strong carbon fiber cage. Aptera uses that same material to create a survival cell that is stronger than most steel. This carbon composite does not just fold up like the thin metal panels on your car. It is engineered to maintain its shape while directing the crash forces away from the cabin. Think of a cardboard box being crushed compared to a beach ball being pushed away fast. The box collapses inward, but the rounded ball tends to deflect the energy and move aside. This simple change in geometry is one of the most underappreciated safety features ever designed today. Conventional cars have flat sides that allow impact energy to travel straight into the passenger seat, but the rounded fuselage of this vehicle naturally spreads that force across a much wider area. It turns a direct hit into a glancing blow, which dramatically reduces the internal peak forces. And since there is no heavy engine in front, there is more room for crumple zones. Standard cars have to pack a massive block of metal into a very small front space. During a crash, that heavy engine can actually be pushed back into the driver's leg area. Aptera uses small motors located inside the wheels, which frees up a lot of empty space. This creates a massive distance for the vehicle to slow down during a frontal impact event. The more distance you have to stop, the less force your body feels during the crash. It is the difference between falling on hard concrete or falling onto a deep, soft mattress. Now let us look at the width of the vehicle, because many people get this wrong. The wheels are mounted on the outside, making it wider than a full-sized pickup truck. This wide stance provides incredible stability and makes it nearly impossible to roll the vehicle over. Rollover accidents are some of the most lethal events that happen on our roads every year. By lowering the center of gravity and widening the base, they solved a major safety problem. Even the rear of the vehicle was designed with common real-world accidents in mind. Today, most crashes involve being hit from behind while waiting at a red light or a stop. Since there are no back seats, there is a huge empty space to absorb that energy. A traditional sedan must protect passengers in the back, which limits the available rear crumple zone. Here, the entire back section of the vehicle acts as a giant cushion for the occupants. But why does the public still feel so uneasy when they see this three-wheeled design? It is because we have been conditioned to equate safety with bulk and familiar boxy shapes. We see a massive SUV and feel protected, even if the visibility is actually very poor. Many large trucks have blind spots so big they can hide a small group of children. The Aptera offers a massive glass canopy that gives the driver a clear view of everything. Being able to see a hazard early is the best way to avoid a crash entirely. True safety is not just about surviving a hit, but also about never being hit at all. The agility of a lightweight vehicle allows you to steer around trouble much more effectively now. Heavy vehicles are sluggish and take a long time to stop or change direction in emergencies. This vehicle reacts instantly to your inputs, which gives you a better chance of staying safe. You might be surprised to learn that the company went far beyond what the law requires. Because it has 3 wheels, it is technically classified as a motorcycle in many different regions. That means they were not legally required to include things like airbags or full crash tests. Yet the team decided to meet and exceed the standards set for full-sized passenger cars. They invested millions into advanced simulations to ensure the structure would perform perfectly in the real world. They chose to include advanced airbags and safety systems that most three-wheelers completely leave out. This shows a deep commitment to protecting lives rather than just following some basic legal rules. When a company goes above and beyond the minimum, it tells you about their true priorities. They are not trying to save money by cutting corners on the structural integrity of the frame. They are trying to prove that a hyper-efficient vehicle can also be a safety leader. The skepticism we see today is exactly what Tesla faced when they launched their first car. People said electric cars were golf carts that would surely fail in a high-speed collision. Then the Model 3 earned some of the highest safety scores ever recorded in automotive history. It proved that a new way of thinking could outperform a century of old-school engineering. Aptera is standing at that same crossroads, where tradition meets a much more logical future design. They are proving that weight is a liability, and that smart geometry is the ultimate shield. Every line on this vehicle was drawn with the goal of protecting the human body inside. From the forged carbon panels to the lack of a dangerous internal metal driveshaft today, everything is designed to move the energy outward and keep the inner cabin perfectly intact, always. When you strip away the bias and look at the physics, the truth becomes very clear. This design is not a gamble or a dangerous experiment by a small group of dreamers. It is a calculated and highly engineered solution to the problems of modern road travel safety. We are moving toward a world where efficiency and safety can finally exist in one package. You do not need a 3-ton tank to feel secure while driving to the grocery store. You just need a vehicle that understands how to manage energy and protect its passengers well. The next time you see an Aptera, do not just look at the 3 unusual wheels. Look at the structural cage that was inspired by the fastest and safest racing cars ever built. Look at the smooth shape that lets the wind and crash forces slide right past it. The future of safety is not about being the biggest object on the crowded public highway. It is about being the smartest and most well-engineered machine in the final total count. As more data comes out, the world will start to see the logic behind this design. The skeptics will eventually become the biggest fans once they see the actual crash test results. It happened with the seatbelt, and it happened with the airbag, and it will happen again. Innovation always feels uncomfortable at first until it becomes the new global standard for everyone's safety. Aptera is leading that change by showing us a better and much safer way to move. Are you ready to leave the old assumptions behind and embrace the laws of pure physics? The answer might just save your life and change the way you think about cars forever.